Yo, 15 minutes in, no orders yet. There we go. Finally got an order. This is for Voodoo Donut. $12 going just under 7 miles.
Drive safe.
Thank you. Next up is a Walmart order. I believe it said $14 going about 6 miles. Next order up is for Victoricos. This is $9 going just under 5 miles.
Victoricos Mexican restaurant.
Thank you. Next order up is 7-Eleven. This is $9.25 going less than 2 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got this order right away. This is for Chick-fil-A, $8.50 going 2 miles. Thank you. Yes.
Oh, I was gonna walk out to you.
Oh, you're all good.
Thanks, man.
that?
I appreciate you.
There you
Have
are.
a great day.
You too, thank you. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $11.50 going 7 miles, 2 items. Got the last one, and then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe. This is $13.25 going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
And you can't do it on your phone? No.
Yes, I will be right back, sir.
Is Casey? All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh, I hate that place and how busy it gets sometimes. So crowded and loud. Makes me feel ill. But at least my order was ready. We got McDonald's, $8.75 going 3 miles. Is this one only one bag?
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. I asked her that because apparently there's 15 items in that bag. But looking at the order now, a few of them are hash browns and a few of them are sauce packets, so we're good. Next order up is for 7-Eleven. This is $7.75 going 3 miles.
There you are. Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $10 going 4.5 miles, 5 items. So it looks like they just want 5 energy drinks. Hopefully they have 5 of the flavor that they want. Five of these. One, two,
what did it me.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Next up, I've got an order for Papa Murphy's. This is $10 going 5.5 miles.
Here's those. There you go.
Thank you. Next order up is for Hello Waffle Cart. This is $9 going 5.5 miles.
Uber?
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hello. Kind of a weird ending part of my shift today. It was slow enough that I just decided to run some errands before the last order and after it as well. But now I'm not getting any orders, so I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 12:30. Current total is like 121. And I still have that last order's Uber tip yet to come in. So maybe like 125-ish. But yeah, that is gonna be it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.